Hey there, pet lovers. Are you prepared for the unexpected when it comes to your furry friends? In this video, we're diving into the world of pet insurance, understanding the different policies available and what it does and does not cover. If you're wondering whether pet insurance is worth it, stay tuned because I have all the answers coming your way. If you've owned a pet, you know that food is the biggest cost along with veterinary bills. Pet insurance is one way to manage the medical part of the expenses of caring for a pet. Simply put, pet insurance is an insurance policy bought by a pet owner to help lessen the overall costs of expensive veterinary bills. You pay a monthly or yearly premium, a deductible, which is a certain amount before the policy kicks in, and possibly a copay. However, there is one major difference compared to human health insurance. You pay for the entire amount of the services upfront, then file a claim with your pet insurance provider and wait for reimbursement. Because the insurance industry sees pets more as a property, there are several advantages. Policies are pretty simple. You get to choose your vet and not have to worry about out-of-network doctors. And premiums are pretty cheap. Pet insurance costs vary because there are several factors that are taken into consideration. Some of those factors include species. Dogs usually cost more than cats. Breed. Some breeds are predisposed to certain illnesses or diseases. Gender. Females tend to cost less than males. Age. Older pets require more medical care. And location. Insurance costs more in cities than in suburban or rural areas. To give you some ballpark numbers, accident and illness coverage on average costs about $29 a month for cats and $49 a month for dogs. Copays are about 10 to 30% of the cost, and deductibles can be anywhere from $50 to $250. There are three main types of coverage: wellness, accident, and comprehensive, also known as accident and illness. Wellness coverage focuses on routine or preventative care, which often includes spaying or neutering, annual checkups, vaccinations, and teeth cleaning. If your pet gets sick or has an accident, this coverage does not cover those scenarios. Accident coverage pays for treatment when your pet swallows a foreign object, gets hit by a car, or suffers another physical injury. Routine care or illness are not covered with this coverage. On average, this is the cheapest type of plan. Comprehensive coverage, also known as accident and illness, includes everything we just talked about with the accident option, plus diseases or illnesses like cancer. Comprehensive policies make up the majority of pet insurance policies. Sometimes, wellness coverage will be an add-on to this type of coverage. And as you might have guessed, comprehensive coverage is the most expensive of the three options. Some insurers offer additional level of coverage for an extra fee. Examples include out-of-the-country emergency treatment, liability coverage for bites caused by your pet, and pet boarding or care if you become disabled. Pet insurance does come with restrictions and exclusions. First, any pre-existing conditions are almost never covered. Anything in your pet's medical history before the policy starts is subject to exclusion. Almost all pet insurance policies have a waiting period of 10 to 30 days during which there is no coverage. Pregnancy or birth are usually not covered. And if your pet dies or is stolen, this event is not covered by regular pet insurance, but there are special life and theft policies available for purchase. Treatment for preventable diseases, where your failure, say, to vaccinate your pet resulted in its illness, is likely excluded from coverage. And pets can be excluded for any of the factors we discussed earlier, including breed and age. So, is pet insurance worth it? Honestly, it depends. Healthcare is so personal and it really depends on the kind of pet you have, how old it is, and many of the other factors that we've talked about in this video. Based on some of the research I've done, wellness coverage will cost you about the same as actually paying for the veterinary services out of pocket. However, accident and comprehensive plans could save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars when accidents happen or you receive an unexpected diagnosis for your pet. My recommendation is to get several no obligation quotes and to do your research on the average veterinary expenses for your pet. And with that, thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of pet insurance. I hope this video has shed light on the importance of protecting your beloved pets and your wallet. If you found this video insightful, please give it a like and subscribe for more insurance-related content. And I'll see you back here next week.